My name is Lebin Sudarshan. I am studying 6th grade. First of all, wishes to everyone a very happy Independence Day 2024. I am very happy to speak here on this great occasion. Today I am going to talk about a very special topic, the journey of Independence Day. A long time ago, India was not a freedom country. It was ruled by the British for over 200 years. The British first came to India for control of our land and resources. The struggle for independence. Independence Day in India is the most important day for every Indian citizen. Get freedom from the British rule. We celebrate this day every year on 15th August from 1947. India became an independent country. After sacrifice of thousands of freedom fighters, such as Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Karmaveer Kamarajar, Velu Nachiyar, Indira Gandhi, etc., who worked hard to get independence from the British rule. We have to love our motherland. In conclusion, let me say that Independence Day reminds us of our duties as Indians. Thank you to all. Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind.